Welcome to ZenBasket. In this video, we'll see how to deactivate your ZenBasket store account securely. Account deactivation allows store owners to deactivate their store account directly from the My Account section in the ZenBasket admin. If your store is on a free trial, you don't need to take any action, as the account will automatically cancel itself after the trial ends. However, if your store is on a paid plan, please note that your data will be deleted after cancellation and cannot be recovered. Also, if you have subscribed to any third-party integrations, make sure you contact the respective service providers separately to cancel those subscriptions. To get started, log into your ZenBasket admin. From the dashboard, click on the profile icon at the top right corner and select My Account. Here, you will find your profile information. To deactivate your store account, click on the Deactivate button under Profile Information. A pop-up will appear asking you to enter your password. Enter your password and click Deactivate. Now, you will be asked to confirm your action. Click Yes to continue. Once confirmed, an email with verification instructions will be sent to your registered email address. Now, open the email and click on the Verify button to confirm that you are the owner of the account. Once the email is verified successfully, you'll be redirected to the sign-in page. If you try signing in again, a pop-up will inform you that your store is suspended. This confirms that your store has been deactivated successfully. Now, your ZenBasket store account has been deactivated securely. To know more, visit our help article. Make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let us know if you have any queries. Thanks for your support.